Welcome to AutoZ Time. Today we're diving into an exciting topic for tractor enthusiasts and farmers alike, the 2025 Allis-Chalmers tractor. This legendary name in agricultural machinery has made a strong comeback, bringing with it a blend of classic durability and modern innovation. If you're a fan of heavy-duty farming equipment or just love powerful machines, you're in for a treat. Allis-Chalmers has a rich history, dating back to the early 1900s, and has been a trusted name for decades in the world of farming and construction. After years of absence, the brand is making waves again in the agricultural sector with its latest 2025 tractor lineup. Built for efficiency, power, and versatility, the new model promises to meet the needs of modern farmers while honoring the legacy of its predecessors. At first glance, the 2025 Allis-Chalmers tractor looks like a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. The brand has kept its iconic orange color scheme, a symbol of reliability, but has infused it with modern aesthetics. The bold, streamlined design not only makes it stand out in the field, but also improves aerodynamics and durability. From the reinforced chassis to the sleek yet functional headlights, everything about this tractor screams power and performance. Under the hood, the new Allis-Chalmers tractor is nothing short of impressive. Equipped with a powerful Tier 4 final diesel engine, it delivers between 150 to 300 horsepower depending on the model. This ensures that whether you're plowing fields, baling hay, or hauling loads, you have the strength to get the job done efficiently. The fuel efficiency of this tractor has also been significantly improved thanks to advanced combustion technology and an optimized fuel injection system. This means less fuel consumption without compromising power, making it an excellent choice for farmers looking to cut down on operational costs. One of the standout features of the 2025 Allis-Chalmers tractor is its advanced transmission system. It comes with a high-tech continuously variable transmission, CVT, providing seamless power delivery and smooth gear transitions. Whether you're working on tough terrains or navigating tight spaces, the CVT ensures optimal control and efficiency. Additionally, the tractor offers multiple drive modes, allowing operators to switch between economy mode for fuel savings and power mode for demanding tasks. In the cabin, comfort and technology come together to enhance the user experience. The new model features an ergonomically designed cockpit with a fully adjustable air ride seat, giving operators maximum comfort during long hours of work. The controls are strategically placed for easy access, reducing operator fatigue and increasing productivity. The touchscreen display on the dashboard provides real-time data, including fuel consumption, engine performance, and GPS navigation for precision farming. Speaking of technology, the 2025 Allis-Chalmers tractor is packed with smart farming innovations. It comes with an integrated GPS guidance system that helps farmers achieve precise planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. This level of accuracy not only reduces waste but also maximizes crop yields. The tractor also supports remote monitoring, allowing farm managers to track machine performance and maintenance schedules from their smartphones or computers. Another impressive feature is the auto steering function. With this system, the tractor can follow pre-programmed routes with minimal driver input, reducing the workload for operators and ensuring straight, even rows in the field. Combined with real-time soil monitoring, this makes the Allis-Chalmers tractor a valuable asset for precision agriculture. Durability has always been a key factor in Allis-Chalmers' reputation, and the 2025 model is no exception. Built with a Yabre reinforced steel frame and heavy-duty components, it is designed to withstand the toughest farming conditions. The weather-resistant body ensures that the tractor remains reliable even in extreme temperatures, while the corrosion-resistant coating adds to its longevity. Maintenance is made easier with the new design, featuring accessible service points and an automated diagnostic system. The onboard computer alerts operators about potential issues before they become major problems, reducing downtime and repair costs. Routine maintenance tasks, such as oil changes and filter replacements, can be performed quickly, keeping the tractor running at peak efficiency. Versatility is another key aspect of this tractor. It comes with multiple PTO options, allowing it to handle a wide range of attachments, from plows and seeders to balers and front loaders. The hydraulic system is powerful enough to support heavy implements, making it suitable for various farming applications. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or managing a large agricultural operation, the 2025 Allis-Chalmers tractor adapts to your needs. Safety is also a priority with this new